Welcome. Another day, something to learn. Metasploit is a powerful tool that can be used by security professionals to assess the security of a system and identify potential vulnerabilities that can be exploited by attackers. However, it's important to note that Metasploit should only be used in ethical and legal ways, and users should ensure they have the necessary permissions and authorization before using the tool. Log into the MSF console for Metasploit. MSF greater than MSF console, and press Enter. MSF greater than MSF console, and press Enter. There are few options. Metasploit is a powerful tool used by security professionals to test and improve the security of computer systems and networks. It provides a wide range of features and resources, including the Metasploit framework, which can be used to test and exploit vulnerabilities, and other sub-projects, which provide additional support and resources for security professionals. One of the key features of Metasploit is its ability to automate the exploitation process, allowing researchers to quickly and easily launch attacks against vulnerable systems. It also provides a user-friendly interface for organizing and managing penetration testing projects. MSF greater than show exploits command. This will dump more than 1800 exploits onto the screen. The general format. When you are referring to a path relative to an exploit, a payload, an auxiliary module, which is recon, what you need to understand is that everything in Metasploit uses a path as its reference. You have to reference these paths when you actually use and interact with a module or exploit. The next set of data to the right of the path is the date that path was added either to Metasploit, or when the exploit was found or publicized. Next after the date, is the reliability of that exploit, e.g., excellent. This is an important column because it tells you a lot of different things about the exploit. We can have good, average, excellent and normal. Hence, the better the rating, the more stable and reliability the exploit has. Use the poor ones with caution. However, you can tweak some settings to help this out. MSF greater than nmap. Host IP adder makes you see ports inside host that are open. MSF greater than connect. IP adder port command. We can actually connect to the host and do a banner grab through Metasploit using this command. Ctrl+C will get you out back into the MSF console. Let's say we want to look for an exploit for sysix, use the following command. MFS greater than search sysix. This will tell you every exploit that matches that keyword, systax, in this case. You do not have to worry about matching the exploit name specifically. You can match whatever is in the description as well. MSF greater than use exploit, module path, not the description. The keyword, use, will make you use a recon module or exploit module. If the module, path, lights up in red, you know it is in use. However, just because the module is in use, there might be some requirements that the module wants, such as the IP address of the remote host, username and password depending on the exploit. MSF greater than exploit, module, sysxssh underscore username, greater than show options, shows us what options have been set. This command will show you the name, rhost, rport, current setting, port number, required, yes, and description, which may be the target address or target port, ID and operating system. In some exploits, you will find multiple targets like Windows or Linux, and you will need to set the target specifying a single target. How we set them is we use the keyword, set, followed by the variable name, the host, rhost, and the value, IP adder. MSF greater than exploit, module, sysxssh underscore username, greater than set, variable, value. Show options will then show that the host has been set. Set target in an alternative, and set target 0 will change nothing if it is already set to 0. So far we do not have a payload, so there is no shellcode attached to this exploit. Metasploit exploits do not have shellcode built in, they are added depending on what you want. When you download from the Internet Explorer DB, it comes with shellcode built in. Check payload options using the following command. MSF greater than exploit, module, sysxssh underscore username, greater than show payloads. It is a good idea to look at the payloads more closely. Payloads can give you an idea whether you need a reverse shell or just to create a user or tell you what options you have available. MSF greater than exploit, module, sysxssh underscore username, greater than set payload Linux, path, sets the payload. Show options will show that now there is now payload options and it is important to set these options. Use the set command to set. Metasploit attaches an exit routine to the shellcode so that when it runs, it does so through all of the exploit then do something at the end, to show whether it was successful. At this point, the exploit is ready and use the following command. MSF greater than exploit. Module, sysxssh underscore username, greater than exploit. It depends on how the exploit was built and therefore sometimes it can fail. Restart it if it fails. The handler will start, send the malicious request, sends the bytes and then the meterpreter session opens. MSF greater than exploit. Module, sysxssh underscore username, greater than sessions L, to list all sessions. MSF greater than exploit. Module, sysxssh underscore username, greater than sessions I2, where 2 is the ID number, will make you interact with module 2. Through the meterpreter you can do the meterpreter greater than shell command and ifconfig or ipconfig depending, to confirm that you are targeting the right machine. Misuse of Metasploit or any other penetration testing tool can lead to legal and ethical consequences. I hope this video has been informative. Source: Station X Cybersecurity Training and Career Development. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.